Kia ora koutou, I am Henry Te Rei Whati, I am Ngāti Pukiao and I am 19 years old.
Kia ora everyone, my name is Lewis Raharuhi Diong and I'm 17 years old. I play nearly weaponry, chair.
Yeah, kia ora, I'm Ethan Trimbath. As of now, I don't know if I'm even Māori, but I'm 17.
Ngāti Pākehā though.
Album of the decade in Finland.
Lewis
has just found out apparently.
No, I got told that I got some kind of award thing from my friend half an hour ago.
Yeah.
Which I was like, great.
We were in the know, guys.
Yeah. Anyway. We get the odd guy just, having to go at us for being white or
usually not
like
not from Māori though, usually from white people insulting us for being white.
Yeah.
Which is slightly confusing.
We're definitely going with that same Te Reo Māori kind of haka metal mix. It's kind of changing it up a little bit musically, but I think there's definitely still a lot to be done there. Currently what we're doing is we're writing our new album. So in fact today we're actually practicing and writing new songs for a new album. We're looking at getting that recorded in March.
We've been experimenting with motiatia a little bit as well, with this most recent song at least. So we've always been pretty keen on like the harmonizing and stuff, but the sound of motiatia is kind of the droning and the the sorrowful sound matches really well. So we're gonna give that a go as well, which I think will turn out pretty cool. Without their acceptance from like our homeland and where we come from, that it would be really hard to do what we're doing.
Exactly.
And obviously we wouldn't be doing anything that was upsetting or putting down the Māori culture or anything to do with New Zealand. We've kind of felt the I wouldn't say the pressure, but the idea that we've kind of neglected New Zealand because we've been overseas for the last 2 years a lot. But
this is not the case. Our favourite country is still New Zealand. Yes,
we love New Zealand and we want to come play here more and more and more. Really expect the amount of people to show up.
I mean the fact
everyone
that
was participating,
was full and
and everyone was fully committing to the haka, and we were like, what the, these people are from the complete opposite side of the world. Converted a couple people from not liking metal into liking us, which is kind of
that's always good.
I recruited the sax player from Shefu, and we played a little bit of catch because me and Ethan are both.
Yeah, well, shout out to Shefu because
shout out to Shefu.
He was shouting us out a bunch at that party, so
yeah,
I was a man.